What's up, you guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, it's been a while I dropped video on this channel, but guys, I'm back in dropping videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply withdraw money from your Geegpay account. So many of you know this stuff, but I want to also show you more ways you can also make more money for yourself. So if you look at my dashboard here, I have $785, and this money came from different platforms. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the things you can do to make money for yourself. So make sure you watch this video to the end in order for you to grab the information I have to share with you. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your money from Geegpay, and before I show you that, one thing I love about this Geegpay is that the rates here are good. Okay, so as you can see here, if I'm going to sell my funds USD, I'm going to sell it for 731, which is fantastic. Okay, now in funding your USD balance, you can do that by yourself, but normally I fund my USD balance from my PayPal or my Payoneer account. So I buy PayPal funds or Payoneer from people, and I can transfer the money into this account. So if you want to learn how to do all this stuff, I have videos on the channel that teaches you how to do PayPal or Payoneer arbitrage. So make sure you watch my videos from beginning to the end. I have a lot of videos here, you can go check it out. Okay, so to withdraw your money from this platform, all you need to do is come over to this quick action, click on convert funds. Now once you click on convert funds, you want to convert it from USD to NGN. So I just change this convert, you will get, I'll just change this into NGN here, and the amount I want to convert, so I have 55.88 balance, so I'll just convert everything to 55.88. This is the amount I'm going to be getting in naira, 40,867.28. okay, this is the amount I'm going to be getting in naira. So if I'm okay with that, I'll just click on yes, convert funds, and it's going to show me that you're about to convert 55.88. you will get 40.867 whatever in your wallet. So if I'm okay with that, I'll just click on proceed, and I'm okay. So immediately the money has been converted. You have successfully converted this money to my NGN. So I'll just go to my dashboard right now, and you're going to see that yes, the fund now is in my NGN. I have 40,867 naira right here. So this is how you convert funds. Okay, so now in order for you to withdraw your funds, so keep watching, I'll show you how to withdraw your funds from the platform. So guys, since you have converted our funds right now, so the next thing we want to do is to withdraw the funds. Okay, so since you have converted it, so to withdraw it, so to withdraw, you just click on the balance. You can do this on a smartphone. Okay, so it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Click on the balance and just click on send money, and once you click on send money, you're gonna find recipient. These are my two bank accounts I've added to this platform. So if you want to add your own bank, it's simple, just click on add new recipient and go through all the steps. Okay, I don't want to show that, but it's simply very simple. It's 3 steps: your bank account, your name, and the likes. Okay, so once you've added them, I'm just gonna choose recipient. I'm gonna choose this one, my Kuda bank. Yeah, my Kuda bank. The money should be sent to this Kuda bank. So it's gonna ask me, okay, I'm sending NGN, and amount I'm sending is 40.867 867. Why 7 not pressing? I think it's an error. I say 4867.28. This is how you type it. Okay, so 40,867 naira 28 kobo. Okay, this is money I'm sending out. Okay, so once I'm fine with it, and yeah, everything is cool, everything looks great. Description, you can just say whatever. I just leave it like this and click continue. Okay, so it's gonna say this is it. It's gonna take 15 naira for their service fee, and I'm just gonna check it right now again. Check it. Yeah, I think I'm okay with it. Yeah, everything looks great. Recipient's email, so I can just provide my email here. It's not compulsory, it's optional, but let me just provide it. Okay, so right after you've done all this, once you just click on send money. So I'm going to enter my password. My password is there already. Just click on confirm payment, and boom, you have sent 40,852 naira to Kingsley Obina, whatever. This is my name, of course. And yes, so if I go to my dashboard right now, the money would not be here anymore. The money won't be here. The money must have gone to my account. And if you go check a balance, the money should be there. So I think I should go immediately to try and check my balance if I've received it immediately, because this payment are normally instant. That's one thing I love about the platform. So I'm going to my balance to check if I've received it instantly, and I'm going to confirm to you. But like I said, I'm going to show you some possible ways to make money. Like you see here, I still have some money here, and I can send this money to this Geegpay for more to get more rates, okay, to get better rate. Now if you want to make money online, there are several ways to do that, okay. So one of the ways I do that is to do arbitrage. I buy PayPal funds, Payoneer funds, and transfer to this account and make more money. So the profit or the difference between those money I bought and the rate I converted it is my profit, okay. And my battery is low already, but that is my profit. So it's usually very simple, okay. So I make money. As you can see, this is payment from Fiverr, this is payment from Payoneer. Okay, the money just came in right now. Perfect. Okay, this is money from PayPal, this is money from Popular Ad, Fiverr. So you can go create a Fiverr account, work for people online, and you make money. So I know these things are easier said than done, okay, but that's why you need to follow me, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be walking you through how to go about them step by step in my subsequent videos. So my battery is low now. I'm going to end this video. I'm going to make more videos to you guys showing you how I made money online. So if you're interested, stick around, don't go anywhere. I'm going to be showing you that video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.